Last period in subject of animal science and dairying, we see about chapter number 4. In the chapter number 4, we see the processing of milk. In the processing of milk, the first process, pasteurization of milk. Then in pasteurization of milk, we see detailed about LT pasteurization. Then today's period, we see about HTST pasteurization. The full form of HTST pasteurization is high temperature short time type of pasteurization. The definition of high temperature short time pasteurization, it is a process in which every particles of milk and milk product is heated to a temperature at least 161 degree Fahrenheit, that is 72 degrees Celsius, and holding it at same temperature for 15 seconds, and that milk is immediately cooled at about 41 degree Fahrenheit, that is 5 degrees Celsius temperature, is called as HTST pasteurization. Then working of HTST pasteurization. The working of HTST pasteurization shows following steps. Number first, supply tank, balance tank or feeder tank. In supply tank, it supplies raw milk to the feeder tank. The raw milk having temperature is 41 to 50 degree Fahrenheit. That milk is supplied to the pasteurizer plant with milk pump or gravity pressure. Then second step, regenerative heating. It is economical features of any heat transformer. The raw milk is heated to at a temperature at about 161 degree Fahrenheit. The in this process at about 80 to 85% regeneration is obtained, and the raw milk temperature is raised up to from 41 degree Fahrenheit to the 135 degree Fahrenheit. Then third section, that is holding section. In the holding section, before that there is a heating section, that is third steps, heating section. In heating section, the raw milk is heated at about 161 degree Fahrenheit, and the heating agent used in this section is the water. Then holding section. The fourth steps in this working of HTST pasteurization, the holding section. From an engineering point of view, it is most difficult steps in the process of pasteurization. The tube which is required only 15 seconds to pass the milk from one end to another end of the tube. Then number fifth, most important part of the working of HTST pasteurization, flow diversion valve, also called as FD valve. FDV means flow diversion valve. Flow diversion valve is device which is fitted at distal end of the HTST pasteurization. The functions of FDV. If the milk is not held 15 seconds or not heated at about 161 degree Fahrenheit temperature, then such valve does not allow such milk to mix the pasteurized milk. Second function of FDV, FDV diverses unpasteurized milk to feeder tank for repasteurization. FDV working of the FDV is total depend upon air pressure against strong spring. When air pressure is released and temperature is false, then that FDV valves snapshots. When pressure regain, air pressure built up and FDV valve diverges at forward direction. Then 6 important steps which is involved in the HTST pasteurization. Regeneration cooling. Regeneration cooling is inverse picture of regenerating heating. In the regeneration cooling, two types of cooling mediums used. First one, cooled water is used for heating of the raw milk or cooling of the raw milk. Then second steps, that is chilled water is used for cooling of pasteurized milk. For the working of HTST pasteurization, 1 hour is required for overall pasteurization of milk.